Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I am going to show you a demonstration of an AI powered extension that I have built that can helps you to, solve your redundant day-to-day task while filling your job application form. Okay, so first, understand what problem we are facing, what is the repetitive work that we are doing again and again, and how we are solving this with the help of extension. Okay, and in the last part of the video, I will also explain the high level architecture of our extension, like how it is working under the hood. So first, suppose you are filling any job application form, and I'm assuming you must see a lot of questions like that. Tell us the best thing that you have built so far, why we should hire you, what is the most impressive thing you have done, right? And whenever you see question like this, what you generally do, you just go to ChatGPT, you just upload your resume, you just copy paste this question here, and you write the prompt to ask ChatGPT that, hey, answer this question based upon my resume. Now just think of you are applying a lot of jobs daily, right? And how many times you have to do the same repetitive thing again and again, right? So that is the same problem that I want to solve here. So let's just see now the practical demonstration of it. For example, uh, and also yes, sir, one more thing, that while using this extension, you don't even need to switch the tab. Okay, you will get the answer straight away in your this tab. Okay, now suppose I am filling a job application form, and I see this particular question. Tell us the best thing that you have built so far. Okay. Now there are two ways to ask the question from LLM, and the first way is we can just copy this question, and we can just click on our extension and we can just paste it here. Now when I click get answer, then in the backend, I have cv.md file where all the data related to my CV is already mentioned in it, and I have certain system prompting and set of instruction that I'm giving to LLM that answer this particular question by using any specific methodology like star methodology or whatever the customized methodology you want. You can change it as well. So suppose if I just click it, then I just have to wait for some time, and it's totally depend how much time the LLM is taking upon, like which LLM model you are using, right? So I'm using very cheap model, so that's why it might be possible that it can take some bit amount of time to find out the answer. Uh, okay, now you can just see I have got the response from LLM, and you can just think that you can just see that I have got a very structured response. Like it has situation, task, action, and result. So and then last we have key points as well. So it is like star based answer, right? So you can just copy it, and now you can just paste it like in your field. So that's how you can just in just one click you can find any answer. So this is one way, to find out the answer. Another way is suppose I am filling application form and I don't want to copy paste it again and again. So what you can do, you can just select this question, and a pop up will come like answer with CV. Just click on it, and once you start uh, click on it, then you would get the answer straight away here as well, and you can just copy paste it like the same way that you saw the earlier. Okay, now this is done, but now if you want to understand the tech behind it, like how this is working under the hood, so let me just uh, explain it. So here we have a client, like here we are passing the request to our backend. Like client is passing the request to our backend. Uh, this is our backend, and client is calling a specific backend API endpoint. Okay. Now this backend is invoking a specific LangGraph LangGraph agent, LangGraph agent for this. And now LangGraph agent has some access, like it has access of if I just say it has access of my cv.md file. Okay, where all the data corresponding to my CV is written clearly, very strictly. And then it has some system prompting, like how we want our data and what things LLM should be take care of. And it has some set of instructions as well, right? So now combining all these three, LLM is giving us the response and then we are sending back the response to our client. And that's how you are getting the responses. So yeah, I hope you have find out the extension very useful, and I would love to see if you use this in your day-to-day job filling application task.